Hi guys, welcome back to Home Crux. My name is Priya and today I'm going to show you how I decorate my fall dinner table. Let's get started. So I have these pumpkins here which I'm going to stack around this table runner which I placed over this fall themed tablecloth. So let's just start with that. I think 3 stacks might be overwhelming, so I'm just going to leave it. Before we move forward, I'm going to use this string light to lay around the table. Now we place some greenery around the table, and to accentuate our pumpkins as well, you can use anything from cypress to pampas grass. I'm using both. This is a local variety of cypress which we have a lot of, so I just went out today and got these. So I handmade these candles and I'm going to display them around the dining table. These will go between the plate settings. Since this is a table for 4, it shouldn't be that difficult. So this is my fall table setting. I know it's not much and elaborate, and since I have a smaller table, this works out for me. Let me show you how it looks when I light it up. Alternatively, you can add this pampas grass vase also if you don't want to add flowers. If that's too summery for you, this will work just fine. You can add some greenery if you want, but I think this looks quite alright. Happy fall!